Hello guys. Here we have an iPhone 6s. The battery connector got broken by mistake. I can say. So now we have to solder a new iPhone battery connector. So I just want to show you guys how you solder a new battery connector. Anyway, first thing we have to prepare. Let's prepare the thing. Let's prepare the trackpad. Let's prepare everything. And again, let's protect let's protect this section. Let's protect the what do you call these cables again? It's NPF, it's FPC, right? Okay guys, let's protect this FPC connector here, because we don't want to burn this thing. Okay, let me just do it. Okay, let me protect this FPC connector. You can still add in more, more than that. Let's protect this FPC connector. Okay. Oh, where is it? 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 Here. That's how you do it. And then you need, let's prepare this place. Remove any. Okay, let's just do this easy job. Okay, let's apply more flags and then let's pen again. Okay, so guys, the first thing that you do, you prepare. Here we're trying to prepare the flags, the connector again. Before anything else, you have to prepare everything. Let's prepare. Okay. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, even here, let's clean. Okay, let's put more flags in. Apply more flags in. And then after this, Okay, there's a missing. There's a small missing thread pad. Okay, anyway, let's go now. Let's zoom in now. Try to zoom in more. Okay, this is done. This is nice. What about here? What about there? Where else now? Okay, and then what about here? Here we are ready to go. But here, what is going on here? Oh yeah, I believe this is okay.
Yes. Yeah, coming.
Okay, yeah, anyway, we are ready to go. Let's remove the other one. Where's the other one? Okay, here it is. So we want to remove this one from the spot, nice, easy, and we want to be careful as possible. So the question is, how do we start, guys? I think we should start with a rubber thing. Let's remove this thing before we even begin. Anyway, let's apply some flexing. Yep. And okay. Let's come with 200. Okay. Yeah. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead. Let's remove. Let's use 250. Let's start from 250. We will see, and again we will observe. We'll try to be careful as possible. I don't know the maximum volts here. I mean the maximum temperature to use, or the minimum temperature to use when you are removing a battery connector. But I'm just gonna give it a try. And again, you can see the connector is not burning, so I can see everything. You can see everything. It's burning. Nope. It's burning. Nope. Okay, let's try to be careful. It's moving. Is 250 enough or not? I don't know, but let's find out. Guys, it's not moving at all, and it's not burning, it's not doing anything. It's not moving, it's not burning, it's not doing anything. You can see it's not burning, it's not moving. See, it's not burning, it's not moving. Okay, I feel like 250 is less. Let's try 300. Let's jump straight to 300. Let's see. And let's use less air. Yeah, yep, I'm gonna use less air. Okay, more or less. Sorry. Angoza. Angoza. Mobile. Yeah, it's okay. Watch it if it's spinning on, just watch. Put more flags in. More hit. More air, more. Okay, it's coming out, guys. It's out on the other side. It's out complete. Okay, it's out, and we didn't even bend the thing. See the connect. Didn't bend it. Still as it was. Okay, meaning 300. It's effective actually. But now, see why I'm worried now. I'm worried a little bit. See, have a look at this thing. See the connector here. It's more clean. It's more nice. The thread pads are easy and are straightforward. But here, from this one, check the difference from this one. Okay, let me show you. Let me come up with heat so that you will see why I'm complaining. See, I see this one. Uh, this one, they are not stable. They are not straightforward. Oh, you know what? Let's just clean. Let's clean the board. I believe we need to clean the board here first. Yeah, let's use a wig. Hold here. Where's my razor? My razor was here, somewhere around. Where is it? 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 Now I'm looking for my razor. It was just here. My razor was just here. Just here. Just here. Just here. Just here. My razor was just here. Where is it? Because now I want to use a wig. I want to use a wig. Ngeke kuzoba rough and manje ngifuna ukuthi iphume kahle isibheke kahle because ngazama uyisiya rough or not here. Guys, I have my razor. Hold this section. Don't let it go. See, I don't want these little pieces. Just want a straightforward thing. Okay, so we have a wick here. Let's put more flags. Let's apply more flags, guys. I'm not happy with the board. It's not clean as it should. Okay. Okay, let's clean the board first. Try to be careful here when you're cleaning the board, because I feel like there's something wrong with this board. Okay, it was cleaning. See, there's a missing thing. Okay, let's twist it around. Let's try to clean this section here. Let's try to clean here. Okay, guys, we use a weight to clean. Because here it's more like we are preparing the new connector. Okay, just let me just cut the wick. Put some more flags in. Flags is good. Let's put more flags in. Okay, have more flags there. Okay. Okay, guys, as I was saying, there is a missing power rail, guys. I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's a missing rail, and now I can see it clearly. There's a missing thing, but now about this missing thing, I want to see something. Let me check my multimeter. Okay, I want to check this too. This one, because it's there, and then this one. Oh, there is a continuity. See, from here to here, there is a continuity, meaning it's one thing. Okay, so check here. Check the other one. This one, as you can now, it's clean. We do have this one, but this one is gone. Hope you can see it. It's gone. Let's try to build a new one as possible. So what you do, you wrap until you reach the silver surface. Now we do have a silver surface. Try to be careful there not to overdo it or end up killing the board. Okay, now it's there. Okay, now we have a silver thing. We need to apply, we need to put a new solder, and I hope it will work, but I know it will work. Okay, but this is missing. Maybe it's bent, something happened there, but we don't care, and we don't care anyway. As long as the new connector will charge, we will be happy. Oh yeah, let's go ahead. Let's apply new flags again. Put flags in there. Okay, put flags in there. And more flags in. Okay, ready to go. Let's put solder. Is it touching? Oh yeah, it's touching anyway, guys. Oh shit. Oh shit. Now we made a terrible mistake there. Let's use a wig to remove this ugly thing here on top. See how good our wig is. Just remove everything easy and clean. See? But now we have a bridge there. Let's try to solve the bridge right there. And even here we have a bridge. Let's use a wig again to remove all these bridges. Here we need a very small wig to remove these unnecessary bridges. Okay, sorry about that. Shifted my thing. Okay, here we are. Here we are. Let's try to focus. Try to focus. Try to... Okay, get me out here. Let me cut this thing. Here, guys, you have to be careful because this is a working iPhone, so you don't want to mess around with it and end up killing it completely. So we have to be careful right there. Okay, what about this bridge? I don't want any bridge, guys. I don't want any bridge, anything. I don't want to, I can't afford any mistake here. I have to do a clean job. It's done. Yeah, it's done now. So I have to drop hold here. Don't pain me, bro. Okay. Focus. Focus. Oh yeah. Now we have a much more better view. Let's put some flags. More flags. Okay, do you think this is ready now? Do you think we are ready for a new connector? I think yeah, we are ready for a new connector. Okay. Okay, now let's clean that zip.
Hi, David. I'm your assistant, here to help you throughout your day.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So what's the plan? What time are you gonna come here?
I'll come here early. It's normal. Okay. 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 Put some flags in, and then after this, think we are ready to go. We'll check for some shots if there's any shots. But again, I don't think so. Is there any shots? You think there'll be a shot somewhere around here? But I don't think so. Where?
And these supposed to be in line, and then this one's supposed to be in line with the switch.
Okay, let me check something. Guys, I'm telling you, an iPhone repair. Just need you to be very careful with everything. Otherwise, you end up spending a whole day doing one thing over and over again. Okay. Okay, let's see.
Walker, please open for me. Yeah. The remote is there. It's opening. It's opening.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we are done. What were you saying? Okay. We are done, guys. Touch those two. What do you mean that?
Be aligned.
No. The thing, see now the connector. Let me just show it to you. See, guys, why it is. I'm not worried about that. It's because the line there is just a vertical line, so it goes I close this thing and end up touching the other one. You see, it's connected.
Yeah, it's
You can see. Just use this one to see clearly. See this one, you see more clearly. See this and this they are touching, and this and this they are touching as well. Even this and this. It's just one line, 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. As you can see straight from the connect, it's just 3 lines. Whether it's there or it's there, whether it's here or it's there,
What's your modem here?
nope.
Yeah.
Whether it's here or it's here, but it's just one thing. Things need to connect. It's just one line. Even here, it's just one line. You see, as long as there's a continuity. Okay. I don't think here. Okay, let me see here. Let me see here if these two are touching or not. Oh, okay, these are touching, including this one. Oh yeah, they're touching. They should be touching. Ah no, this is just stupid. This is just simple, guys. Let's just go ahead. Let's put the thing. But I hope you saw how I was doing it. Now we're gonna go ahead and then replace it. Okay, so blah. Okay. Okay. Anyway, you were saying we should check for short, right?
before.
Before. Okay. Let's see. From here to here, there's a continuity. From here, this is not touching. Even here is not touching. Even here is not. But here is touching. Or here is touching. You should touch. Let's check using the other one, because this one we know that it didn't do anything. Let's touch this and this. Oh yeah, this is ground. No, it's touching. It's ground. It's one thing. It's ground as well. But these are positive. See, these are positive. But this is ground. It's touching. It's beeping. You understand? Yeah, meaning this and this are touching. Yeah,
Meaning,
they're touching. See, it's okay. It's supposed to be like that. Even here. So guys, so here we are lucky because we have another connector. So that's why you are comparing the two. No, but it's not beeping. Wow, okay, yeah, it's beeping. It's beeping. But this one shouldn't beep. And then this one another shouldn't beep. I think this should beep. I think this should beep. Let me check from this one before I go ahead and end up causing a bomb. Okay. Yeah, see, that's one thing. Done. Yeah, anyway, let's go ahead. Let's replace this first. Okay, so you should keep in mind, you should check how exactly you align the thing is very important. Very important. Very important on how you align the battery. Okay, show me how to align the battery. I'm just checking, guys. Let's put more flags. Flags is good.
as
Okay, put it down.
as let me check again.
As it is,
Show it
right?
under the microscope because I'm seeing
Like this.
yeah.
Okay, guys, here I'll try to be careful. But first, let's try to align it proper. Is it proper aligned? Is it proper aligned? Is it proper aligned? I think I should just bring it down a little bit, right? Yeah, right? Should I push it more in, right? Alright? Or should I push it? Okay, let's just push it more in. Here we have to be soft. We have to be soft, guys. Let's apply some heat. Apply some heat. We have to be careful there, not to burn some things. Try to be careful. Try to be careful right there. Try to be careful. Let's take it easy. Easy, 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 easy. Without spinning it easy, guys. Easy. Zoom in again. Let's take more easy. Easy, easy. We don't want to cause any complications. Let's take more easy. Easy. Easy, 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 easy. Easy, 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 easy. Easy there, easy there. Easy, 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 easy. Easy, easy, easy. Is it okay?
Too much smoke. What is that?
That's flax. You see this flax has got so much smoke. There's this one with less smoke, but it's very expensive. So this from Kong, I think it's okay. What do you think? Or should I push it down? I feel like it's more up. Yeah, I know it's down. Yeah, no, it's okay. Is it okay? Yeah, it's touching. Everything is burning. You can see. You can even see things are burning there. You can't see. Burning, Baba. See the silver one. See, and it should dry. The moment it's dry, you'll see. You see. So now it's holding. Yeah. Anyway, guys, it's okay. Let me just hit the side a little bit. Wanna be sure. Yeah, there is heat here. There is heat. And they are touching from the port. They are touching. I know that. I know you think they're not touching, but they are. I know they are touching. Yeah. It's touching. They're touching underneath and underneath. They're touching, guys. See, they are touching. Yep. I think. Yep. Anyway, this is how you you connect the thing, and this is how you swipe, and this is how you connect. In case if you have damaged connector or maybe some mistake happened, but this is how you do it. This is how you do it.
No, there's only two of us. No, it's cell phone sales and third. Yeah, and sales. We also do sales. We also sell cell phones. Yes, we also do sales. We also sell cell phones. iPhone.
Okay, let's use alcohol to clean this whole place. Okay.
No, it's one sale and one sale.
Okay, let's clean it
Bobby, Chris,
because we have to clean the board.
Chris.
Alright, it's burning, it's still hot. I'm using alcohol. I'm using alcohol. See, it's still hot. I'm using alcohol, guys.
Check the temperature.
Still hot.
Turn the
Sorry?
lights off.
I know it's okay, it's okay. You can leave it off.
It's noise with this baby.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, this is how you do it. I hope you are learning everything step by step.
Sobi,
See how beautiful.
Sobi,
See how
Sobi,
beautiful that is.
Sobi.
Let's clean this place up. See, nothing was affected. Nothing was affected. Okay.
Sobi! Sobi!
Anyway, guys, this is proper installed as you can see as well. We cleaned the board, but anyway, you can see as well for yourself. This is proper installed. It's more straight, it's more accurate. Yeah. Anyway, let's test it. Let's check the phone.